Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Where are we going next? So today we've got a hotel room tour here for you, and we're here at the Hotel RIU Tequila. So if you look behind me here, this is where the door is. So we've just kind of come down the hallway here, and as soon as you walk into the door, you walk right into the bedroom. So it's a nice kind of small, quaint room, but it is still quite spacious. Okay, so starting just over here, we'll start in the bathroom. Well, there's a little key card here too that you have to make sure your key goes into this little slot and it'll turn the power on in the room. So once you remove that, it turns all the power off. And then over here, got a spacious bathroom here with 2 sinks. And then over to the left, we have like a mini bar, fridge area. No coffee maker here in this room. And then this is the cabinet that would typically have the alcohol dispensers. That's the in-room kind of included with the RIU, but currently they're not there. So I'm wondering if maybe you requested it, if they would bring them for you, because I know they previously didn't have these in the room during the pandemic, but I've heard that the RIU hotels are bringing the alcohol in the room back. So it looks like this room maybe just wasn't refreshed, but if anyone has any separate information to that, just let us know in the comments. So they always provide you with all kinds of water here. We have an ice bucket too, to get some ice for cold drinks. And then here is the mini bar. So the mini bar here is stocked with some different soft drinks like Pepsi, ginger ale, Diet Pepsi, and then we have some cervezas or some beers at the bottom. And the brand they have here is Dos Equis. There's some soda water here too in the door. So we've noticed that sometimes at the RIUs or sometimes at hotels, they're not too quick on refilling these, but generally if you ask the front desk, they'll come and refill them for you. So just to the right of the mini fridge area here in the washroom area, there's a closet that you can hang up all your clothing. There's quite a bit of space in here too, lots of hangers. There's an ironing board, an iron, and an umbrella. And actually it's kind of rainy today too, so that would come in handy. You get an in-room safe here too that you can program with a code of your choosing to kind of protect all your valuables. And then just right here you can see that there's sort of a little form you can fill out to have any laundry done while you're here. Up top, in the top of the closet, there is some extra pillows and blankets. And then just to the right of the closet here is the bathroom. There's a separate door, kind of keeping the bathroom separate from the rest of the room for some privacy. Next, this is the shower, a big kind of walk-in shower here. I would say moderate size now that the door is open. Lots of space. There's a handle here, a little shelf in the corner for your shampoos, conditioners, or anything else you'd use in the shower. Looks like just a shower handle here. And then just to the right of that, some shower gel. So one thing I'm noticing too is there is no tub in this room, so it's just the shower. So if you have small children, that's something to keep in mind. There's a hair dryer here. A small little towel rack too. And then like we said before, the double sinks and some storage underneath for any kind of toiletries that you bring with you. Typically this is where they would put shampoo, conditioner, or body lotion, but it looks like perhaps it's not stocked up here right now and just facial soap or some hand soap is left here with some face towels. One thing they're kind of showing you here too is that the drinking water here in Mexico is not potable. So it isn't advised, especially if you're from Canada, United States, somewhere in Europe, their drinking water is very different from ours and it might upset your stomach. So if you're looking for a drink of water, probably head over to the mini fridge here to grab some of this water. But it's definitely safe to shower and brush your teeth with, no problem with that. So moving this way into the bedroom. So we got a very, very large bed, but this looks like 2 double beds pushed together. So there is a little bit of a crease here in the middle that, could be a little bit uncomfortable if you're sleeping and roll into that. Depending on which way you roll in, it might actually be quite comfy, but you might not be able to get out. So just to the left of the bed here, we have an end side table with some drawers for some extra storage. We have some outlets on the top here to control the lights and a USB plug. We use this USB plug to charge our phones in our own room in our hotel. And they actually charge quite fast. So if you forgot your charger and you just have your USB cable, no worries, they actually charge quite quickly. So on this side of the bed, again, another bedside table. We have a couple more outlets, no USB on this side, but there is a button to control the ceiling fan And there is a ceiling fan up in this room here, if it focuses. So that ceiling fan, no light in the ceiling fan, so that's just going to kind of move the air around the room. And just beside the bedside table in the bed, just before you walk outside, you have a small little table here with 2 chairs. So this would be nice if you brought a little meal back or a snack back into your room. And you have this cool little ornament, this like Chichen Itza with this like a Mayan warrior here on this table here to kind of keep you company while you're having your snack. Just before we head outside and check out the view, you can look over here. There's some empty space here. Maybe a good spot to kind of put your luggage, maybe off to the side here and here on this luggage stand. Cool artwork here in this room, kind of keeping with the theme of the hotel where it's very colorful and bright. And then just beside that, we have the big flat screen TV. All kinds of like storage here. And this furniture is in pretty good shape, like all the rollers are rolling well. And then lastly, we'll take a look outside here. So this view is looking out onto the pool, which most of the rooms do. But just instead of going out, I'll just kind of sweep and show you the view you have. This is a common walking path here, so there's going to be people kind of walking by, and you are on the first floor. But there are 2 deck chairs out there with a small table and an ashtray where you can enjoy some outdoor nature, having a coffee in the morning or just kind of relaxing in the evening. That's going to wrap up our tour here at the RIU Tequila. Hope you guys enjoyed this room tour. Hopefully this answers any questions you guys may have about what the rooms look like here at the RIU Tequila. It looks good. This is nice. Definitely a good hotel, especially if you're looking to save a little bit of money too. If you like this tour, give it a thumbs up. And then don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find out where we're going next.